Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to build an Audi R8 in Minecraft, step by step. First, let's establish the foundation. Start by placing black concrete blocks for the wheels, setting up the car's chassis. Then, construct a base for the main body using gray concrete. This base should be 4 blocks wide and 11 blocks long, providing ample space for the interior. This initial structure is crucial for the overall shape. Now, let's build up the bodywork. Extend the gray concrete upwards by 2 blocks on each side to create the car's main structure. Next, carefully place black concrete blocks for the wheels, making sure they are slightly recessed into the body for a realistic look. For a touch of detail, add stone buttons onto the center of each wheel to represent the hubcaps. This really starts to bring the vehicle to life. Moving inside, let's craft the interior. Use black wool or black carpet for the seating and floor, giving it a sleek, dark finish. For the dashboard, place a single black concrete block at the front of the interior space. A lever can serve as a perfect gear shift, adding a functional touch. Finally, install gray stained glass panes for both the front windshield and the rear window, completing the cabin. For the finishing touches, let's add the lights and other exterior details. Place item frames on the front and back, then put white concrete in the front frames for headlights and red concrete in the rear frames for taillights. Cover the top with a black concrete slab to form the roof, connecting the front and back sections smoothly. Lastly, use iron trapdoors on the sides to represent the doors, completing your impressive Audi R8 build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.